Hello, Matt.
Hi, Jay.
Today we're looking at how to describe something.
Jay, do you believe in ghosts?
Not really. Why do you ask?
Well, the weirdest thing happened to me yesterday. I was walking home when I noticed this big old house. It looked as though no one had lived there for 50 years.
Right.
It was dirty and the windows were broken.
That's weird.
And I stopped to look at it, stood back, and I heard this weird noise coming from inside.
A noise? What kind of noise?
Well, it sounded as if someone was screaming.
Oh.
So I ran inside, but there was no one there.
Oh, that's so spooky. And you used hypotheticals to describe something.
I did?
Let me show you. You can describe something by using hypotheticals. That is, as if or as though, plus a past verb tense. You could use the past simple, past continuous, past perfect, whatever. For example, it sounded as if someone was screaming.
Why does it have to be in the past tense?
Because we're talking about something hypothetical, something that isn't true or may not be true. So when you say, it sounded as if someone was screaming, there wasn't anyone screaming.
Okay.
And when you say, it looked as though no one had lived there, well, it seems like something is living there.
Yeah. Creepy. Okay, so what did we learn today?
We learned how to describe something using as if and as though.
Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
It sounded as if someone was walking down the hall.
But no one's here except for us.
Hi guys!
Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.